MarineMax, Panama City Beach, Florida. Today we got the Nauticstar 249 XTS Extreme Tournament Series. This is where fishability meets affordability. Beautiful titanium hull over the white gel coat. This boat's equipped with a hard top. Got tons and tons of features. Let's walk around it and take a look at a few. This is powered by the 250 Yamaha SHO high torque motor. Gets up on plane, super quiet and efficient. It has Limco trim tabs to keep your boat balanced depending on your weight distribution. Flip up jump seats that let down and give you a huge casting platform with your seat pedestals here also. We've got locker storage back here in the back on both sides. Easy access to all your pumps and switches. This boat also has a jack plate. Only draws 14 inches of water, but now we've just shrunk that up to where you can get in some really skinny water with the jack plate taking the whole engine up. Nice little swim platform, access ladder. As you come aboard, like I said, you got a huge casting platform up here. Rocket launchers with the hard top. You also got trolling rigs that come off the side. Nice, comfortable dual bench seat here. That'll hold your 140 quart cooler, 140 can cooler, excuse me, 96 quart. Comes with Xfinity stereo, Yamaha smart gauges. This boat is loaded out. Undergunnel rod storage. Nice place here for a porta potty or a little changing station. Does come with a cushion package, optional, with removable backrest, so you can basically make this fishing platform a nice, comfortable boat, kind of like the Legacy series that Nauticstar carries. Come up front, you have another live well here. Nice, comfortable seat with fold-up armrest. Fish box here in the floor. An additional fish box or dry storage here in the up top. Lockable rod storage on both sides. Also can be used as a fish box if you wish. It all drains overboard. Pre-rig for the trolling motor of your choice. Come see us at MarineMax, Panama City Beach, Florida. We'll get this boat rigged out the way you want it and get you on the water catching the big ones. Thanks.